Okay, today we're gonna install Oracle database into Linux environment. So first of all, we choose the disk, we mount the disk. After we mount it, so we open the terminal, type media, type Oracle like database, and run installer, enter it. Okay, so we're gonna choose this thing into DBA and database into my name and my NRP. Okay, so the database is just you can edit something. So yep, we use the basic installation. Click next. Yep, so the operating system is DBA. Don't forget to change that. Click next. It's gonna take a while, so yeah, it's installing something. Yep. Okay, so this is the main. Click next. Some recommended you might get error. Do you want to proceed? No. Just oh yeah. We need to do that. So click on the box and click next. Yep, so this is the summary of all we need to install. Click install. And oh, this is so slow. Okay, so the installation is complete. Oh yeah, it's actually putting itself to the best configuration assistant. Yep, so we need to copy that. Okay, so the configuration already done. Do that. Yep, it's still installing something, so we need to wait. Yeah, so now we're gonna put this thing to that thing. Oh yeah, we need to run another terminal. Click type SU for super user and put the password and paste that into here. Enter. It's complete. Okay, so we need to copy that, paste it into here, and click enter again. Enter the full path name of local bin directory. So we're gonna do that. We just enter it. Yep. Just enter it. So it's done. We click OK on this thing, and yep, it's already installed. So we need to access it from here. Open the thing, open the browser. So let's just close this thing and click close. So click enter. username password. Okay, so we try to access this password system DBA. Click login. I agree. So here the database controller, the instance, and this is the enterprise manager. So thank you for watching. Peace out.